Bento, good evening. And the race is on, Divine Wisdom, my queen. Racing Ori outside, Yellow Cat, Danori inside, New Dawn, Dico, Akaline, Goldfields, and Terrible Marvin is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, the favorite, my queen, by about 3 lengths, followed by Yellow Cat in second. You Don't racing in third, running by the fourth is Divine Wisdom. Dico Akala in racing in third, rather racing in fifth by about 5 lengths. Terrible Marvin and Goldfields rounding the parterre, my queen, by about 4 lengths. Yellow Cat, Divine Wisdom is racing in third as they race the last 500, my queen, by about 2 lengths. Yellow Cat, Divine Wisdom is making ground, Danori inside as they race the last 250, my queen, by half a length. Divine Wisdom, Danori inside, and Yellow Cat, my queen, Divine Wisdom, my queen is already outside. Divine Wisdom is now the leader, this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, Divine Wisdom, my queen, Yellow Cat, Dico Akaline, Terrible Marvin, New Dawn, and Goldfields. Comes
5, 6, 2, 3.